So we had another amazing day fishing, but it did not start out that way. I had to use 5 tips to catch more bass. Now, before I tell you my 5 steps, let me set the stage of what was going on. It basically was high winds. The wind was blowing from south to north, blowing right into the dam, which worked out for us because that's the only access we could get to this pond. And the dam is very straight, which you would expect that it should be, right? So my first tip is color choice in the lure you're using for the right conditions. So here's what we had. We had white and we had chartreuse. White was not bringing anything in. They couldn't see it. It was blending in too well. But the chartreuse, oh my goodness, they love the chartreuse. So once we switched to that didn't immediately fix it, but that helped. So that was step 1, was getting the right color choice. So tip number 2 is the direction of which we casted. If I casted just directly in front of me, that was working a couple days before, was not working this time. We had to fish diagonally. When you're going directly into the wind, it was making these kind of float weird, and I don't think they were being presented just right. If I cast in front, no fish at all. We had to go out diagonally. So step 3 was looking for points off the dam. And I know you're thinking, well, what the heck? Doesn't make sense. He just said the dam was straight across, and that's right. But when I looked real closely, there actually were points. And those are ambush spots for the bass. The bass will get, if there's a point like this, they'll get at the top of that, and whatever is floating by, they're ambushing it. So step 4 was still picking the right bait. But I had to pick something that would reverberate. Because it was so murky and cloudy, something that would vibrate would get their attention. But if I was picking like some kind of a soft plastic, they were not biting this stuff because it wasn't, vibrating. Because of their lateral lines, they can feel something coming by them and it triggers them to bite it. Now, tip number 5 is match the color of your fishing line to what the color of your body of water is. So I've got kind of this greenish color because that is pretty much what color that water is. The rest of this video is just us catching a ton of fish. Anyways, hope those tips help you get on some bass and enjoy your fishing day. Up for another day of fishing. We're going with chatterbaits this time. And we're actually gonna wear some waders, water waders. And we're gonna head out here, turn this thing around. It looks like it starts getting shallower right here. Oh, I saw him with it. I can feel him tugging. Come to Papa.
Ooh, that's a nice size one.
I think if you make a trail, I think it'll go. You want me to come with you?
Yeah.
Either a tree bass are fighting back, or I got a bass. Come on, baby. Please be a bass. Oh, no, there's a tug. Hey, I think I got one, Blake. Man. This one hopefully is the biggest one. Oh, man. Dang it. Oh, wait. I got a tree bass and a bass. Oh, awfully weird. Holy moly. You sure? Good sizer. Oh, I'm about to fall in. There you go, there you go. I think they like this Chartreuse color.
Yeah.
That's what made me think to change holes. Come on. That's a healthy one. Want your picture with him? Seaweed or?
Oh, that's a fish.
Nice. Just hold the rod tip up and reel. Oh, he got stuck in some seaweed. One of mine did that. All right, let's see. Oh shit, I'm about to fall over. Nice. Nice. You want the picture of this one?
Sure, I need to get out of the water.
People like that. Hold it. I think he's bigger than the one you got the other day. Back out here today, and man, they are going after the Chartreuse one. They don't seem to care about the white chatterbait. Also, because it's so windy, we've been casting across, and they've been going after that. There we go, there we go. Come on, baby. Oh yeah, you belong to me now, my friend. Oh yeah. Not bad, not bad. I'll keep him. Well, I'm not really gonna keep it. I'll let him go. Oh yeah. Jump again. We wanna see it. This pond is just too dang good. Too good. There we go.